Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to clear recent products on Snapchat. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the face emoji or avatar, which is present in the top left corner of your phone screen. Then tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings list, scroll down until you find Account Actions section. Now tap on Clear Recent Products. From the pop-up menu, tap on OK. Then you will see the confirmation, you have successfully cleared search history. So in this way, you can clear recent products on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.